concept material handling systems. This video will give you an idea of what are the different material handling equipments used in inventory management and warehouse operations. This is a concept under supply chain management and logistics. Let us look into detail of what is material handling systems. It is an art of movement, protection, storage, and control of materials and products. It incorporates the usage of manual, semi-automated, and automated equipment and systems that support logistics and make the supply chain work effectively. The equipments have been classified into four main categories. First one, storage equipment, industrial trucks, bulk material equipment, and fourth one, automated equipment. Under the first storage and handling equipment, we'll be discussing about different types of storage racks, stacking frames, which helps us to store them effectively. First one, racks. If you see the picture, it shows us how systematically they have organized the goods in a warehouse. Stacking frames are like interlocking units so that these will enable them to not to disturb the other goods by crushing. Third one, shelves. These are like small partition boxes which helps us to store many items in a small place. Mezzanines. These are like temporarily created elevated floors between the ground floor and the ceiling floor so that an additional space is created temporarily. Usually, four-wheeler manufacturing units create such type of mezzanines. Industrial trucks. These industrial goods are very bulk and unstructured and very heavy. Handling them, we need different types of equipments. First one, hand trucks. These are like eye-shaped boxes where they have a handle towards one side and base wheels and base as a pallet where they can carry the goods. Walkie-talkies. These are the machines where a human, like a pedestrian, should hold them and used for the purpose of lifting according to the racks. Side loaders. These are automated loaders and unloaders but which are towards the side of the driver. Pallet jacks. These are the tools that are most basic form where a person will be operating and the goods can be moved from one place to another place. Third one, bulk material handling equipments. First one, conveyor belts. In a warehouse or a manufacturing unit, they have to move the goods from this corner to the other corner. So it would be difficult for a manpower to move 100 times from this side to that side. So usually they build up such kind of fixed conveyor belts where they keep moving the goods on the belt. Stackers. Similar to the forklift, the stackers will help to lift up the heavy load, rack them and remove them. Reclaimers. These are large machines used to recover bulk materials from the stock. Usually near the seashores, we use such kind of reclaimers. Bucket elevators are the very oldest form and portable type which we observe in the road construction system. Hoppers. These are like pallets which has an automated system at the base and which helps us to move from one place to another place in a warehouse. Silos are like tunnels or towers or containers which helps us to store larger quantities for the industry purpose. It may be a coal, it may be sawdust, it may be wood chips and food products or food grains, etc. And these are also used in the power generation, petrol storage, etc. Automated systems, robotic delivery systems. This type of system is very expensive only for one time, but it will be really helpful in such places where a manpower cannot reach, like something which is very harmful or hazardous. In those places, we can use robotic systems. Automatic guided vehicles, as we can see in the picture, these are like small robots. They are set with a timer, distance, and they have a magnetic grip to hold the load. So they'll be moving from one place to another place in a warehouse. Conveyor systems, as we already spoke, these are heavy material from one place to another place and very flexible. Either they may be constructed with the help of a rubber or a live rollers, etc. Coming to the conclusion, this material handling equipment systems are very important so that it helps us to store the goods mechanically, scientifically, and handle large quantities or packaged items which are generally used for storage, shipping, or production facilities. Thank you.